If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to rid your home's water of nasty contaminants, this video's for you. SpringWell has been building water filtration solutions in the USA for more than 20 years. But with their extensive lineup, which option is right for your needs? That's why our experts put together a list of the best SpringWell whole house filter systems. You can find more info and exclusive discounts on these products in the description below. At Freshness, we've reviewed hundreds of water treatment solutions and will only recommend the very best based on our years of industry experience. Let's dive in. Starting with the SpringWell CF Whole House Water Filter System for city and municipal water. The SpringWell CF Whole House Water Filter System was designed to specifically target and remove chlorine, chloramine, PFOAs, pesticides, and more. In fact, you can count on a SpringWell to remove up to 99.6% of all harmful contaminants that are commonly found in city municipal water systems. SpringWell's unique active flow technology, featuring a 4-stage proprietary design. Water initially pushes through a flex filter bed for maximum contact time before entering the KDF filter to address municipal water contaminants. Stage 3 uses a catalytic carbon media, which removes organic contaminants before getting to Stage 4 with the 5-micron sediment filter that removes sand, silt, and clay. Installation is simplified since the SpringWell CF comes with bypass valves, 1-inch elbow fittings, and mounting bracket. You just need to provide your own piping to attach to the system and you're ready to go. And depending on the number of bathrooms, you can choose from 3 separate model options, ranging from 1 up to 7+ bathrooms. Importantly, you will not have a drop in water pressure with SpringWell systems. In fact, SpringWell filter systems boast a 50% higher GPM flow rate than competitors' standard GPM. The best part? SpringWell offers a manufacturer's lifetime warranty against defects on all valve and tank components. The pros are that it's made in the USA using only certified components. The 4-stage proprietary vertical upflow system removes 99.6% of contaminants. There's a guaranteed no drop in water pressure, and it has a lifetime warranty. The cons are that professional installation may be required. Next is the SpringWell WS Whole House Well Water Filter System. If you have iron, manganese, or sulfur contaminant issues, then this whole house filter system is for you. SpringWell's WS system is designed to be the economical and environmentally friendly solution for private wells. That means no more staining or rotten egg smell for your water. The SpringWell WS uses the latest air injection oxidation technology. The filter system maintains an air pocket in the top of the tank, and as water passes through the air pocket, iron, sulfur, and manganese is oxidized, allowing the system to remove the now oxidized iron, sulfur, and manganese from the water. Because the SpringWell Well Water Filter comes with a Bluetooth-enabled smart head, installation and setup is easy. The innovative application gives you complete control over all settings right in your smartphone. View water usage, set backwash cycles, and change valve settings at the touch of a button. Once installed, there's no drop in water pressure. The SpringWell WS has 2 different models, designed based on the number of bathrooms in your home to guarantee optimal water pressure. The pros are the innovative mobile app control center. It removes sulfur and rotten egg smell and water discoloration. It removes up to 8 ppm of hydrogen sulfide, up to 7 ppm iron, and 1 ppm manganese. And it efficiently conserves water and backwash cycles. The cons are that the filter replacement may be more frequent if very heavy sediment levels, and professional installation may be required. Next is the SpringWell Pioneer Lead and Cyst Removal System. If you're dealing with heavy lead contamination issues, the SpringWell is one of the most trustworthy brands on the market. Its whole house lead and cyst removal system is especially popular because it's designed to get rid of over 99.95% of lead, parasitic cysts, and other contaminants that are commonly found in water supplies. For starters, you get a high-capacity tank that already contains its filtration elements, including 5-micron pores that ensures high-quality filtered water. This media is also capable of removing both particulate and soluble lead in water, which not a lot of other filters can do. The secret is in its binders that help to create an ionic bond when they come in contact with lead, which essentially removes the substance from the water. The Pioneer Whole House Lead and Cyst Removal System is also capable of removing parasitic cysts and contaminants, such as chloramine, chlorine, PFOA, and PFOS, and it's been certified to NSF ANSI Standards 53 to prove its efficiency as the best water filter for lead in the market today. You also get a digital metered control head that gives you color-coded notifications when it's time to replace your filters, and an easy way to monitor your water flow rate. The pros are it's the best whole house filter for removing lead, the lifetime warranty on tanks and valves, the LED control head for filter replacement notifications, the quick and tool-free filter replacement. The cons? It may require professional installation, and you may have to change filters more frequently with heavily contaminated water. Next, we'll look at the filter and softener combos. If you need an integrated filter and softener system at a great value, these are for you. We'll start with the SpringWell water filter with salt-based water softener option. You can pair this softener with either the City Water CF filter or Well Water WS filter. We'll leave both links below. For starters, you get a durable polypropylene tank that contains the resin, which comes with neoprene sleeve to prevent freezing or sweating, so you can guarantee optimum performance all year round. You also get a high-capacity brine tank that won't require frequent salt refills like most competitors. The resin tank comes with a batch of preloaded softening resin beads that help to completely eliminate water hardness, and they last for up to 10 years before replacing the resin media, which is multiples longer than most softener alternatives. The SpringWell filter and softener combo system also tops the competition with a flow rate between 11 and 13 GPM to maintain the water pressure around your house, unlike typical water softeners with a flow rate of only 7 and 10 GPM. For added convenience, the included smart Bluetooth control head sets the standard when it comes to ion exchange technology and is well known for its quality and efficiency. This means the system only regenerates as needed, so it'll save you a lot of water and money on utility bills. You can even download the SpringWell app to monitor backwash cycles and water use right from your phone. The pros are its lifetime warranty on tanks and valves. It completely removes water hardness-causing minerals. It's one of the most efficient water filter combos in the market, and there's a guaranteed no drop in water pressure. The cons are that it may require professional installation help if you're not DIY inclined, and it requires using salt, unlike the salt-free conditioner. Now, let's have a look at the SpringWell water filter with salt-free softener option. This solution is best used for city and municipal water, but it can work with well water, depending on the contamination levels. If you're considering filtering your home's water salt-free, SpringWell's Future Soft salt-free system is an impressive and relatively low-cost investment in terms of its ability to filter and condition your water. The technology built into the Future Soft salt-free water softener provides 99.6% scale prevention. Not only does this mean the end of lugging around bags of salt, but it also means a lot of savings. A more eco-friendly solution, the salt-free Future Soft system produces no water waste and never discharges harmful salt brine into the environment. It processes your home's water by a process called template-assisted crystallization that conditions the hard water minerals like calcium to not only prevent scale buildup, but also remove existing scale buildup around the house. Once the minerals neutralize, they no longer stick to your water fixtures or glassware and keep your appliances and water heaters free of limescale to prevent costly maintenance. This also means healthier skin and hair from your shower water, instead of that slimy feeling you get from hard water. What we especially like about the Future Soft is it was designed for maximum water pressure of up to 20 GPM. So when it's paired with the SpringWell filter, you never have a drop in pressure, even if there are multiple appliances running simultaneously. The pros are the lifetime warranty and a 1 million gallon water conditioning guarantee. It eliminates new and existing water scale buildup. Guaranteed that there's no drop in water pressure. It's chemical and salt free, and there's no wastewater created or electricity required. The cons are that it may require additional professional plumbing installation costs, and the pre-filtration is recommended if you have well water. Next is the SpringWell Tannin Removal System. Tannins can be extremely difficult to get rid of. Utilizing the ion exchange process, the SpringWell Tannin Removal System combines the SpringWell STR softener with the Tannin Removal System in a unique configuration that will take up minimal space in your home. The benefit of this system is it not only removes those unsightly tannins, but it also gets rid of hard water culprits like calcium scale buildup. The SpringWell Tannin removal system uses state-of-the-art technology that makes maintenance a breeze. The Bluetooth-enabled head allows you to monitor and adjust your system right on your smartphone. Because it backwashes, regenerates, and rinses automatically, all you need to do is replace the brine tank salt and you're off and running. The system comes in 2 configurations, depending on your requirements, so you don't have to worry about water pressure issues. The STR1 is designed for homes with 1 to 3 bathrooms and has a flow rate of 12 GPM, while the STR4 is ideal for homes with 4 to 6 bathrooms and a flow rate of 15 GPM. Overall, if you have identified tannin and limescale as your 2 main problems, this is by far the best option to take care of 2 notoriously difficult issues with 1 simple solution. To top it off, SpringWell provides a 6-month money-back guarantee. The pros are its comprehensive 2-in-1 solution, its innovative Bluetooth smartphone application, it saves water with adjustable 5-cycle meter control, and its best-in-class support and warranty. The cons are that it requires brine tank refills with salt, and professional installation may be required. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.